I'm back again. If you give a Luo guy 2 million Kenya shillings and you give a Kikuyu guy the same amount, 2 million shillings, how are these guys going to use this money? You see, for some time people have said Kikuyus ni wezi. No, si wezi. They are just smart when it comes to money issues. If a Luo has 2 million shillings in his bank account, he will buy this to show the neighbors I'm the boss when it comes to music system. A Kikuyu guy will buy this. Just listening to some news, then switch it off. A Luo guy will buy this to show around, going to church on Sunday, going to work, parking it at the estate and all that stuff. A Kikuyu guy will buy this. That's an investment. A Luo guy bought a liability. A Kikuyu guy has bought an asset. You'll find a Luo guy here. I didn't have money, now I have it. Let me enjoy myself. Fine. You'll find a Kikuyu guy here. Are you seeing the difference? And another thing, you'll find these are the photos. These are the kind of photos a Luo guy will be taking. These ones. And then, these are the kind of photos a Kikuyu guy will be taking. You remember the farm he bought first when a Luo guy was buying a car. Now this is what now a Kikuyu guy is doing with the farm. So, before you call Kikuyus thieves, ama ni wezi, you should know they are very smart. I've not said Luos are not smart. We are smart, yes. But Kikuyus are just way smarter than us when it comes to managing money issues. They really know it. That's the difference of a Luo who has money and a Kikuyu who has money. That's how these guys use their money.